In a lifetime, we meet a lot of people. Some of them make a positive impact, and some of them not so much. Why does this happen? It happens because of the personality that they carry, the personality that they have. Each of us is unique, and today we'll try to discuss how to bring about this uniqueness. Welcome to Career Growth. What is personality? Often it is confused by the exterior look. If you dress well, if you look well, if you can carry yourself well, you have a great personality. That is the general myth. But if you really go to see what a personality is, it defines your interior and your exterior. That is your internal skills, traits like your behavior, your thoughts, your expressions, your feelings. All these things actually create your distinctive quality, your characteristic, and that's what your personality is all about. So, next time, if anybody is complimenting you for your personality, try to figure out which is the distinctive character they actually like and not just your exterior. The next question that generally parents ask us is during vacations, do you have run any personality development program, or we feel our child is too shy? She just doesn't speak in front of people. I think we will put our child into a personality development program which is for 3 days. Sometimes this duration is for 3 days, 1 week, 10 days, 15 days, and generally what we have seen is it has become an occupation during the vacation. It is not something that you just want to invest your time in, it is something that you need to work around it. Workshops, training programs do help you only to a certain extent. It will give you tips, it will give you strategies, it will give you a roadmap. But whether you choose to follow it and how much do you implement the tips completely depends on the individual. So next time, whenever you're planning to enroll for a workshop, remember these points so that you make the most of the time and the money invested by you. Quite a few times we do get people who say, I'm okay the way I am. This is me. This is my style. I don't need to develop anything. But there are many benefits of having a developed personality. First and foremost, you're pretty comfortable with who you are. Your confidence is increased. The kind of energy that you kind of exhibit has a rub-off effect on others. It creates a positive relationship about people. It creates a positive impact and more so a long-lasting impact. So if you are looking at increasing your social contacts, your networks, growing professionally and personally, having a developed personality definitely helps. Having said this, many a times people actually confuse that if you can speak English very well or you are proficient in a particular language, you dress up well or you look beautiful, you have a developed personality. But it's not so. Your communication skills, your decision making skills, your people skills, your clarity of thought, the way you behave, the way you express yourself, and the way you carry yourself, and the way you would bring a uniqueness to a particular situation, a thought, or a process is what actually makes a person different. And that's what personality is all about. Certain simple do's and don'ts. The first is smile. It really adds value to you and to others as well. Smile brings an automatic approachability on a person's face. So naturally you can connect with more and more people. While doing so, ensure that you have taken time enough to figure out what your strengths and weaknesses are. Remember to strengthen your strengths and work on your weaknesses. Along with this, when you are in people, we are social animals. We need to have the social skills also. So ensure you learn to have the right manners, the right kind of politeness, because that's what's well appreciated by people. To have a conversation, you need two things. First is a good thought and communication, a good language. So ensure that you read, because reading will not only enhance your thought process but will also give you the kind of vocabulary and a grasp of the language which is required to make an impact. So try and remember this. Along with this, try to pursue hobbies. Go beyond your boundaries. Innovate yourself every time. Train and retain yourself. And most importantly, learn to unlearn. The moment you start innovating yourself, adding a new feather to yourself every time, every 2 years, every 3 years, you are definitely going to see a changed person in yourself. Whatever is positive, try to imbibe in you, and that's why thinking positive is very, very essential. Be disciplined enough so as to bring about the change that you aspire to be. And always remember, a happy and cheerful person is the person who actually makes the impact. So be cheerful, be happy, and while doing so, do not forget a basic mantra. You need internal motivation and external observation. So keep that in mind and ensure you have a developed personality. Keep watching Career Growth, keep viewing, keep subscribing.